Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 1, sub question 2 is 1 minus x whole bracket raised 1 upon 3. And for this question also we have to find first 4 terms. So first we write the question as 1 minus x whole bracket raised 1 upon 3. Now here by using binomial index for any power, so we write formula that 1 minus x whole bracket raised n is equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial plus going on. Now in this formula we put n is equal to 1 upon 3. We get 1 minus x whole bracket raised 1 upon 3. So that equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 into x plus 1 upon 3 in bracket 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x square. So the next step will be is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 into x plus 1 upon 3 in bracket 1 upon 3 minus 1 whole thing divided by 2 factorial into x square minus 1 upon 3 in bracket 1 upon 3 minus 1 into 1 upon 3 minus 2 whole thing divided by 3 factorial plus going on. So on simplifying further we get 1 minus 1 upon 3 into x plus, now 1 upon 3 we write as it is into, now 1 upon 3 minus 1, so on cross multiplying we get 1 minus 3 upon 3, that is minus 2 upon 3. Upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into x square, then minus 1 upon 3 we write as it is into 1 upon 3 minus 1 on cross multiplying again we get minus 2 upon 3 into, now 1 upon 3 minus 2, that is on cross multiplying we get 1 minus 6 upon 3, that is minus 5 upon 3 upon 3 factorial 3 factorial, it means 3 into 2 into 1 into x cube plus going on. So is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3x plus, now here we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, so we left with plus minus minus 1 upon 3 into 3 9, that is minus 1 upon 9 into x square then minus, for fourth term we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, then minus minus we get answer plus, then 5 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81 into x cube plus going on. So that equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3x plus minus minus 1 upon 9 into x square, then minus 5 upon 81 into x cube plus going on. So in this way we get first 4 terms as 1 minus 1 upon 3x minus 1 upon 9x square minus pi upon 81 x cube plus going on. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.